Crossface. Sprawl and crossface. 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 Okay, belly out. Belly out. Grab a hand and come up. Hand and come up. Fire out. Keep moving. You're doing good. Keep firing. Keep
Go,
moving.
Carson.
There you go.
Good job.
Sprawl, sprawl, sprawl. Crossface. Cross. Cross. Throw it. Throw it. Keep doing it. All right, let's work up. Keep working up. You can get out of that. Hips out, turn. Crossface. Crossface. Keep going, you're doing good.
Go on, Carson.
Keep going. There you go.
Good job.
Push them by and get behind them. Crossface, crossface.
Laces come out, get that leg back.
Keep moving, bud.
Come on, Carson.
All right, Carson. Go top. Up. Okay, you gotta break them down and work the half now, okay? Break them down, all the way down. Remember, inside the thigh. Stay behind, stay behind. Keep moving your hips.
Come on, Carson. Keep moving, bud. Yep.
There you go.
Twist over.
Get on top, get on top, get on top.
Get up,
Spin,
get up.
spin, spin, spin.
Yeah.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Bud.